Hi guys, today's video is a bit different because today I'm not going to teach anything. Today I got a new thing I thought I should share with you, because the thing what I got today, it is a laptop. Without any further ado, I will definitely let you know and show you the laptop as well. Why I purchased this laptop? Because this is the need of the hour right now. If you're a student, if you're a teacher, you need the laptop right now because of the situation we have. Restrictions are a bit more, and you have schools and colleges closed, so it becomes very difficult for a student as well as a teacher to teach on the phone. So it impacts our eyes as well. So what I thought let me buy a new laptop, and I bought new laptop from Amazon thanks to my friend. He's in Bangalore. His name is Pranjal. So Pranjal, thank you, and thanks a lot to you, because of you I got this laptop today. It took a bit of time. It took 7 days for the laptop to reach, but anyways, end of the day, all is well that ends well. So I have got the laptop today. I will do the unboxing part of it, and I will show you the laptop. And the question is, which laptop have I chosen? So the laptop that I chose is ASUS. So let's see. I'll just do the unboxing, and this is the box, how it comes. So this is the entire box, the actual box. So now I'll just tear the seal and show you what exactly we have in the box. So alright, so we have a box inside the box. So this is the actual box what is in this box. So this box is the packaging of Amazon, and now we have the actual ASUS the TUF, the amazing laptop. So this laptop is a fantastic laptop because of the specifications. This laptop is good for teachers, this laptop is good for students, and this laptop is good for everyone. Why? Because of the features. This laptop you can buy. I will leave the link in the description below. You can buy the laptop in case if you are trying, or if you are planning to buy a new laptop, you can definitely choose this one. Why? Because this is very good laptop in the market right now. So all the specifications, there are many videos in the YouTube. You will find the specifications of this laptop there as well. I will just give you all the details of the laptop here itself. So I'm just doing the unboxing part of it. So let me open the laptop. We have just one seal here. This is the seal. We just need to break it open. So just a second. I'm just tearing the seal. Okay, so now we have to open this. Do we have any more seals? No, that's about it. All right guys, so if you see, I'll show you exactly what we have. We have a sticker. All right, there are many stickers here, by the way. So you have TUF Gaming, and we got your back and all that stuff there. So this is here. Then we have the actual laptop. Here's the laptop. What else do we have? Now we have documentation. Here it says my ASUS. You have this documentation. Then you have the user manual. These things are quite handy at times, so please make sure that you keep these things. What else do we have? Let's see, what else do we have? All right, we have the charging brick. Very nice and compact charging brick. It says AC adapter, and the model number and all the details are given. So this is the charging brick. Then what else do we have? Apart from this, we have another thing here. All right, this is the charging lead. So quite a sturdy one and good one. So you have this as well. Do we have anything else this side? All right, so there's a small thing here as well. So we have the screws, and we have the connector Okay, so what is this exactly for? These screws and this connector is for the hard drive. In case if you want to add another hard drive to your laptop, you have the connector and you have the screws. You can just make sure that this hard drive is a good enough hard drive and a good one, so you can connect your hard drive using these things. All right, so anything else? That's it. So these are the things in the box. So quite a good one. Now let's see how the laptop looks like. I'll just keep this box aside. Now I have the laptop. So this is the laptop that is wrapped in the paper. It's a bag, and guys, this is the laptop, right? So there's a branding, the TUF branding, and then we have the honeycomb design this side. These are the air vents where you can have all the cooling stuff, and then we have the TUF gaming logo or the branding here. Then we have some indicators. Obviously these indicators will be working once we turn the laptop on. And what else? This laptop, yes, it is quite hard and nice build. Okay, so this is about the laptop. Let me try and open the laptop and see how it looks. So guys, this is the laptop. Okay, so this laptop is a good one, and this is exactly how the laptop looks like. Okay, so this laptop is amazing. All right guys, so this is the front look of the laptop. I have just put the laptop on charging, and let's see once we turn it on how does it look. So just see the RGB lighting. This is all RGB lighting, and this gives an amazing impact on your laptop. See guys, this is the impact of RGB lighting, and you have all the colors there. The colors keep changing. All right guys, so talking about the ports and the connectors we have here, there are quite a number of ports here, so I will just show you one by one all of them. So what we have the power connector. After that we have the Ethernet cable connector, then we have HDMI port, then we have two USB sockets, and then we have type C, and then the very important headphone jack. So what about this side? There is a Kensington lock this side, and we have one more USB port. And one more important thing that I wanted to tell you is this screen has got 144 Hertz of refresh rate. So that's about it, and these were a few of the things. I'm just trying to set this laptop. These were a few things that I wanted to discuss with you. Again, I will say, if you are a student, this is a fantastic laptop for you. If you are a teacher, this is again a very, very good laptop for you. So one more important thing that is in this laptop, because there are quite a few laptops which are not having this feature. The important feature that I'm talking about is the camera. So you get a camera here. It is quite a decent camera. It is not that great camera, but it is quite a decent camera. You can use this camera for your online classes if you are a teacher or a student, and if you are a YouTuber like me. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a teacher, I run online classes. So for me, this is a complete package. Why? Because I can teach my kids, my students using this laptop, and at the same time when I am uploading videos, I can edit my videos on this particular laptop because it has got a fantastic RAM, and it has got a lot of efficient graphic cards and all the stuff. So as a teacher, as a YouTuber, I can use this laptop very well, and as a student you can also use it for your study purpose, and at the time when you are not studying, you can definitely use this as a gaming laptop as well. So again, I will say, I will leave a link in the description down below in case if you want to purchase it. This is one of the right choices. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just want to thank Amazon as well well, because the packaging was fantastic. It was absolutely packed, and there was nothing to be worried about. So thank you, Amazon. Thank you, my friend Pranjal, again, and thank you all of you who are watching this. So thanks a lot. This is me signing off for today. I will see you in the next one. Take care.